Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to implement bubble sort in Python. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements in a list until the entire list is sorted. The algorithm is named after the way smaller elements bubble to the top during each iteration. First, we're going to generate a random array of numbers to sort using Python's built-in random sample function. Import random of an array random.sample range 101. Then we're going to also create a print statement of the original array, or rather, well, we're going to call it pre-sorted array. Then we're just going to run this. You can see right, we have a pre-sorted array which has a bunch of random numbers from 0 to 101 in an array. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create the algorithm to the bubble sort algorithm to sort these to sort this array in ascending order. First, we're going to implement bubble sort by creating the bubble sort function. Then we're going to set n to the length of the array. Next, we're going to traverse through all array elements. So we're going to create a for statement to do that, or excuse me, a for loop. Then for the last I elements, we're going to create a nested for loop for the last I elements are already in place. So for j in range 0 to n minus I minus 1. Then we're going to create an if statement to traverse the array from 0 to n minus I minus 1, and we're going to swap if the element found is greater than the next element. ARRJ is greater than ARRJ plus 1. This right here, what it does is it compares adjacent elements. I'm going to do ARRJ plus 1 is equal to ARRJ plus 1 ARRJ. What this does is swaps the elements using Pythonic syntax. Then we're going to return the array. Now we're going to call the sorted, the bubble sort function with the array as the input. We do this by setting sorted array equal to bubble underscore sort dot and with array in parentheses. Then we're going to create a print statement of printing the sorted array using bubble sort. Alright, now we have right here we've imported random. We've set ARR to a random sample from 1 to 101. We created a print statement of a pre-sorted array. We created a function bubble sort which takes ARR. We set n to length and the length of ARR. Then we created a for loop with a nested for loop. So basically we're going to iterate over the entire array. Then we're going to compare adjacent elements. Um, after we did compare the adjacent elements, we swap the adjacent elements. Then we return ARR. After we do that, we're going to call we set sorted array calling the bubble sort function. Then we print this. And then we create a print statement of the sorted array using bubble sort with sorted array as the input. So next we're going to run bubble sort. And as you can see here, we have the pre-sorted array right here. Then we have the sorted array after, which sorted all of the elements of the array. Just going to run it again to show that it works. As you can see, that all of the element, you have all of the both of these have the same exact elements. Only this is a pre-sorted array. This is a sorted array. So all of the elements are going in ascending order: 3, 14, 24, 27, 31, etc. And that's it for our implementation of bubble sort in Python. I hope that you found this video informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Your support will help me create more educational videos exactly like this one. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.